Let's make Kesar Pista cookies. Let yourself indulge in the aroma of saffron and pistachio. Take some saffron strands, add half tablespoon hot milk in it, mix with the help of pestle. Keep it aside, then grind 1/3 cup pistachio. In a bowl, take half cup melted ghee, 2/3 cup powdered sugar. We usually don't have 2/3 measurement in our measuring cup set, so don't worry, you can use 1/3 cup 2 times. Now add prepared saffron milk and ground pistachio. Give it a good mix and add 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder. Then add 1 cup wheat flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Combine all the ingredients and make a dough. The dough looks dry, so I am adding 1 tablespoon milk in it. Now it's time to make our cookies. I am making these cookies by rolling them in between parchment paper and use cookie cutter. Another way to make cookies, you can roll the dough in a cylindrical shape and cut cookies with the help of the knife. I am using this cookie cutter. If you don't have cookie cutter, then you can use a small glass for it. Bake the cookies at 180 degrees Celsius for 14 to 15 minutes on microwave convection mode. Every microwave is different, so time may vary by 2-3 minutes. So please check your cookies after 10 to 12 minutes. 8 cookies are made using half of the dough. When the cookies are warm, they are a little soft. They might break if you touch them, so let them cool first. To give them festive look, I am using melted white chocolate here. Top it off with some ground pistachios and dry rose petals. Our Kesar Pista cookies are ready. Try it and you will not regret.